And so this video begins. I'm gonna ride a brand new roller coaster. Back again at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Right over here there's a sign. Phoenix Rising, media event parking. Phoenix Rising is finally risen. Uh-oh, this isn't good. Oh my gosh. Hear that? Do you hear it? And the thunder rolls. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if it's your first time. Thank you, Busch Gardens, for inviting us out once again. Phoenix Rising, brand new roller coaster. Now, if you remember, I was out here, you may be new here, but I was out here a couple months ago for the construction update, a hard hat tour of what was going on with this brand new roller coaster. And then at the first of the year, I actually came out for the groundbreaking ceremony. And today, hopefully, I get to ride it. That's the plan. Hopefully the weather doesn't spoil that. Tomorrow, you, if you're a past member, can come out and ride this yourself. They're doing past member previews all the way until the grand opening on the 21st of July for Phoenix Rising. Hopefully, I can rise above the weather today. Hopefully everyone's able to ride it today that was invited out today. Very grateful for that fact. Always love coming out here previewing this new, the new stuff at Busch Gardens, whether it's Howl-O-Scream or a new roller coaster. We've done this a couple times before. It's always great, and I can take you guys with me. That's so cool too. You can live vicariously and get a sneak peek preview of what's new here at Busch Gardens. Always fun. Grateful to be here. I'm gonna head into the event. We're gonna see what's going on. I am here a little bit early. There are scheduled time slots. I'm gonna fill out the park, get a look at the coaster all the way around before we ride it. I will have POV footage. I have my GoPro. It's working. Also, Busch Gardens will be giving me footage. We're gonna get all kinds of different camera angles of this new roller coaster. This is the first roller coaster in Busch Gardens history that plays music. It will be a music aboard attraction. And also they're calling this a family roller coaster. It is not as fast, it's not as extreme as other roller coasters. We'll see. That's part of this. I'm gonna review it, of course, not just ride it, but review it. And that's pretty much it. How to set it up properly right here in the beginning of the video. Thanks for clicking, everyone. It's time to go. It's time to rise. There's much ahead. Phoenix Rising. So on the 21st, it opens to the public. Here are the past member preview times, beginning Wednesday the 17th. And that's when you can ride it. You can also check this out at buschgardens.com. I'll put a link in the description below. But I just want you to have the information right here up front of the video. It's important, right? I just saw a bolt of lightning over there. Oh boy. And right here is where I will be checking in. That tent over there is the media check-in. And I am officially checked in. Dude, I'm so stoked. I'm gonna ride a new roller coaster today. I always love when this happens. And I'm actually gonna walk in the regular entrance. This will get me in, and I will walk back to Pantopia. There is a little backup because of the inclement weather, but we're hoping I will get through. I'm gonna stay here as long as I can just to guarantee that I get on Phoenix Rising, hoping this weather blows over. I'm not even gonna check the radar because I'm scared to look. I'm just gonna go with it. And whenever there's rain, lightning, or thunder, I think all those three go together. Busch Gardens sets out these signs. And even the Serengeti Express is on a break because of inclement weather. Not just the roller coasters. It's a standstill here at Busch Gardens. And we have reached Pantopia. This is where Phoenix Rising is located. Formerly Timbuktu when this area of the park originally opened. Phoenix Rising taking the place of two attractions, the Phoenix Boat Ride and the Sand Serpent Mouse Coaster. The Mouse Coaster closed down last summer. Phoenix, the boat, has well been gone for about 5 years. This opened the perfect amount of space for them to build this brand new roller coaster. No, I have not been here since the hard hat tour. I'm about to turn the corner here beyond the Painted Camel Bazaar, this store right here. I'm gonna see Phoenix Rising without the construction wall for the first time. And there's still a little construction going on. Check it out. This looks like it might be the exit point. Also, the new lockers are in place over here by the Painted Camel Bazaar. That's where I just came, just to put things into perspective. We've got the blue on blue track. I remember being out here a couple months ago and saying, hey, those are raised colors. I like that choice. Almost ready to hatch. Hopefully so for us today. You soon, my friends. This is the main entrance to Phoenix Rising. This looks pretty good. I like it. It's just like the concept art. We knew what we were going to get into. Looks like there's quite a few people in line over there. A lot of folks here today from the media, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok or X, all of the outlets, I'm assuming, local media, riding for the first time ever. This is exciting. And here's a bird's eye view. Oh, look at this. Right as I'm walking up, they're testing it. No way. That is the first car to go out for almost 2 hours. So it looks pretty smooth, not so fast. I think it goes just a little under like 50 miles per hour. Here it comes. Woo! And there are people on Phoenix Rising. It's rising with the people. Well, that sounds good. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're having fun. Checking out all the stuff in the queue down there. Look at that. All kinds of different like trinkets. It almost looks like a South American theme kind of going on. See like an old mech head. Almost like even an Egyptian thing going on, like Panopic jars. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, that looks so much fun. We're gonna get this half of it. All right. I don't know what row I'm gonna get. I hope to get front row. There it is, back into the station. It's got to be less than. I'd say less than 40 seconds, maybe even 30. And here we are at the grand entrance. I'm about to enter the queue shortly. We got regular queue to the left, quick queue to the right. Several people in line now. It is now going. This is exciting. Check out the Phoenix to the left and to the right up there. And right here next to the actual ride share, you can test it out. It does say larger guests, please test the seat to determine your ability to ride. I am a big dude. I'm 6'2½". Minimum 42 inches to ride. You can't be more than 77 inches. I'm already starting off wrong. I'm sitting wrong. Hold on. All right, looks like it goes. All right. This reminds me of the Penguin Trek roller coaster I just rode at SeaWorld. Same kind of thing going on here. Nothing over your shoulders. And thanks to this awesome Busch Gardens trash can for being my tripod right now. I think I can do it. All right, they're on another break. They're getting everyone loaded up because they're filming each rider. They have to take a little intermission to get the GoPros ready and whatnot, the cameras ready to record. But I am officially checked in and waiting for my first ever ride on Phoenix Rising. I'm ready to rise above. It's one of my favorite Black Flag songs. Had a little trouble with this thing at SeaWorld about a month ago, but it's okay. It's working now. All right, it's my turn. Check out all this stuff. All right, I am now in the queue. Quick transition, they're miking us up. This is the first time I'm seeing this over here. Wow, animations. Here they come back. Oh, I think they liked it. First look. All right, here we go.
All right, that's rolling.
Action. All right, so I got my GoPro down here. We got GoPro rolling right there. No hat. That means it's roller coaster time. Check this out over here. That is so cool. So I'm gonna get ride music. I'm also mic'd up underneath my shirt, so you should be able to hear it. Okay, here we go. I am finally rising, or about to. And we are officially rising on Phoenix Rising. It's a good view up here already. I can see Adventure Island. Also, I can see Kuba over here. Woo! Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, wow! Woo! I like that I can move! Ha 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 ha! Whoa, this is nice! Woo! Yeah! Woo! You know what? It's a little faster than I thought it would be. Woo! Oh, okay, this is fun. Yeah! Woo! I like it. And I think, no, one more turn. Woo! All right. That was great. Nice and short, about 40 seconds. You know what? It took off faster than I thought it would. I love it. That's a fun ride. And I have risen. So, wow, right off the bat. It's a little quicker than I thought it would be. A little more thrilled than I thought it would be, but not too much. It was perfect. And this is one of those groundbreaking roller coasters for people that are kind of not sure if they want to ride a roller coaster. Although the fact that there is no over-the-shoulder kind of harness still kind of freaks me out, because every roller coaster I've ridden up until last month at Penguin Trek and SeaWorld, you have like an over-the-shoulder harness. Now, if you can get used to that fact, it's just a smooth ride all the way around. It's a great coaster. I liked it. I like it more than I thought I would like it. It's really smooth. I can't wait to ride it again. Aqua, protector of the ocean realm. Aqua is the most versatile of all the phoenixes, as she is the only one with the ability to breathe underwater, swim, and fly. So you have all of the phoenixes named different elements. So I know there's fire and aqua. Here's Terra, protector of the rainforest. On each side you have these collections of antiquities from all the way around the globe. Mostly of the phoenixes. There's phoenixes everywhere. Look at this. There's like a harp or a lyre there, and on the other side they have like Egyptian things like panopic jars, and also I see stuff from like South America, from all the way around the world. A very unique coaster. I've never ridden anything quite like it. Phoenix Rising is worth the wait. I have been anticipating this moment for so long, and it was better than I anticipated. Not that I thought that it was going to stink, as they say, or may say. It was just a really fun ride. It's a little more, I want to say it's just a little more faster than I thought it would be. Even though we're only going like 44 miles per hour, it felt like we were going faster. But smooth all the way around. I think if you're thinking about roller coasters, thinking about doing something a little more extreme, this is a good bridge. So that is not a slow drop. You go right into it. I thought that was going to be a slow, nice drop, but it's almost like you're just being pushed forward. I like it. And this turn right here, right there, woo! It almost goes upside down, but it doesn't. Yeah! Phoenix Rising has risen. And the people on the carousel over here are getting a good show. Also, News Channel 8 is out here covering the story for Media Day. And right inside the door of the Busch Gardens Emporium, these vintage looking pennants with a retro logo on there. Look at that. All the new stuff, but retro, Tampa, Florida. Also down here, they got Cobra's Curse. They got the Serengeti Express. They got Iron Gwazi, Kumba. They've got Tigress there. These are neato. Cheetah Hunt, of course. And then back here, tucked away, we've got another Iron Gwazi. And look at that, Phoenix Rising. We've got official Phoenix Rising merchandise. All right, this is cool. How much is this going for? $44.99 each for these pennants. I do have a pass holder discount. I think I get 40% off on merch being a platinum pass holder. So finding that pennant made me realize maybe I missed some merchandise inside the Painted Camel Bazaar back here in Pantopia. Don't see any Phoenix Rising merchandise in here. I think that pennant might be the only thing currently at the park for Phoenix Rising. Oh wait, here you go. Here's a lanyard. Oh yeah, we got more stuff. We've got all kinds of stuff. Past member exclusive pen, we've got hard hat, we've got the keychains, we've got magnets, and we've got phoenixes here. Here's one of the phoenixes here. There's the blue one right there. That's aqua, that's fire. Let the camera focus. This is the Phoenix Rising mug. You've got all four of the phoenix here. Look at that. Green, which is Terra. You've got aqua there in the middle. You got fire, and I'm not so sure which one this is. I think it's ice. So you got ice, water, fire, and Terra. Phoenix Rising. That's a cool mug. So that was all the merchandise currently. I'm sure maybe they'll have some t-shirts, but for right now there's no Phoenix Rising t-shirts. I'm wearing my Iron Gwazi t-shirt that I bought on the opening day of this Busch Gardens roller coaster. Love the Gwazi. I'm gonna try to ride this thing one more time. Hopefully front row this time. Ain't no row like the front row, baby. And it appears they are officially closed with today's media event. They've already roped everything off. The crew's out here breaking down and whatnot. That's all right. I'll be back soon to ride it. That's for sure. Much ahead. At least I got to ride it once. For a second there, I didn't think I was gonna be able to ride it at all. That weather, we got lucky. Thankfully everyone got in and got out. And just a little park update here. I heard a rumor that this might happen. The Bengal boats are no more. There are no boats out here. Also, the RC trucks that are over there in that area, I'll show you in a second, no longer here anymore. This might be the last time we see these props even. The little gator. The little gators coming out of the eggs there, the elephant, the lighthouse, the island. This is all going away. The boats are already gone. This is right by Ubanga Banga bumper cars. I don't know what they're gonna put here. The fountain not going, but they're gonna replace it. And this is where the remote control stations were to control the boats, no longer here among this fence. Oh man, and here they are, all tucked away over here. It looks like they just dismantled this. These are the controls for the boats that were right over here. And then here are the actual truck controls, the wheels. They were all right here against the fence. I heard a rumor that someone told me they were gonna take these out, and I guess it was true. This is the old road course. And there was like an old mech head back there. It's still back there. Documenting this in this transition. Man, I wish I could have done this for one last time. I forgot to get over here. Wasn't so sure if it was true, but now we know. Goodbye. Also, if you're looking for the free beer, it's in the back near Jungola. Figures. The one time I can get free beer, I leave my ID in the car. I left my wallet in the car. Oh man, that sounds so good right now. And I cannot leave here at Busch Gardens without saying hello to my little fluorescent friends. Flamingo. Wow, they're so close. I love y'all. You know I love you. I always come to say hello. And if I ever don't come, well, I'll come back next time. No, I'll always come. What's up, Mr. Iguana? Chilling, killing, grilling on the rock because it's hot. I get you. I get it. Why don't you come over a little closer into that cool, cool water? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And that being said, I think I'm gonna end it right here in front of Phoenix Rising. Come out and rise yourself, July 21st. It opens for everyone, the grand opening. Thank you, Busch Gardens, for having us out. That was a great time. And thank you guys for living vicariously, watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, if it was your first time here, feel free to subscribe below. As I always say, there's always much ahead here at Busch Gardens and beyond. I love roller coasters. Always cool, always an honor to ride a roller coaster on the very first opportunity that anyone can. So I was really happy to come out here. This was a lot of anticipation coming here in January for the groundbreaking ceremony, then the hard hat ceremony, and it is finally here, and it is, I am well pleased. This is a great ride for you kiddos out there. Also, the soundtrack, the media screens, the digital screens, all of these special effects. Never seen that before. It's the first time Busch Gardens has ever done anything like this, so that's exciting as well. Growing up in this park, being a past member all these years, it's very cool to see something like this here at the OG park in Tampa. 1959, Busch Gardens opened in 1959. Very old. Well, very old to some. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm not going to hold you too much longer. Thank you, Busch Gardens. We'll see you next time. Almost forgot to say, know you're awesome, know you're loved. No matter who you are, what you're going through, just know that there's always much ahead. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time. A little announcement here at the end. Busch Gardens 25. Now hiring scare actors. You could scare me. You could come out and do it. There's all the information right there. Check it out. All right, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.